Kripa. Today we are going to see 2 chicken sandwich recipes and it's going to be super quick.
Yeah, it's chicken mayo sandwich and chicken barbecue sandwich.
It's going to be more than 100 rupees if you're going to go and eat it outside, but it's so simple that you can make it at home.
Yeah, trust us guys, it's the same flavor.
How about this, Purna? I make chicken barbecue cheese sandwich and you make chicken mayo sandwich, and let's see who makes it better.
That sure sounds like a great idea, Mom, and I'll know the perfect judge who loves sandwiches, Bargo.
Oh yeah, let us wait for his judgment. I guess I make better.
And I know that I'll do my best.
Let's see the ingredients that we need to make barbecue cheese sandwich. To make barbecue chicken cheese sandwich, you'll need half cup of shredded chicken, some barbecue sauce, cheese slices and whole wheat bread. You can add salt and pepper for your taste.
Yeah, to make my sandwich, we'll need half cup of shredded chicken, mayonnaise, chopped capsicum, bread.
Before you go into the recipe, take a look on how to make this shredded chicken. Cook the boneless chicken pieces by adding some salt, some pepper and some water. 1/4 cup of water to it. Just pressure cook for 1 whistle and your chicken is going to be ready. This water can be drained and used for your soups. Let's start making the barbecue chicken cheese sandwich. It's so simple. Just add your chicken and the liberal amount of barbecue sauce that you need. This barbecue sauce is homemade. You can get store-bought ones too. I have tried Viva products and it's so good. So mix this well. We have added salt and pepper to the chicken already. If you need it, you can add that too. Spread this on the bread. So if you want the link of the products that we use, take a look into our description box. Now just top it up with the cheese slice. And cover it with the bread slice. It's ready to grill. How about you making it, Purna?
I'm gonna start now. First for mine sandwich, we're gonna take our chicken and put it in a bowl. Then we're gonna add mayonnaise. I'm gonna put a lot in there and add capsicum. And then mix it all together. I love how capsicum adds crunchiness.
Do you remember this? That we had this at an airport once?
Yeah, I sure do.
Why don't you add a little more mayonnaise, Purna?
You think?
Yes. But you know what? I may win.
I will win too. Now spread a nice amount onto your bread. I'm gonna add a lot of chicken onto mine because my brother loves chicken and there's a nice way of grilling.
You're playing trick with it?
Yep.
Oh God. I guess he loves cheese too.
And then cover with the bread. And it's time to grill.
You can very well use a dosa tawa or something to grill your sandwich. We can use this grill too. This grill has been with us for 3 years and it's doing super awesome. You can take a look into the description box if you need the link of this product.
Yeah, let's start placing our sandwiches.
Wait until the red light turns off and then you can start placing your sandwich.
Yeah, it's turned up now.
Let's open the grill. Let me place my sandwich here.
I love that sizzling noise when you place sandwiches.
close it. It takes, I think, 2 minutes for my sandwich to get ready. I think both would be ready now, Purna.
It smells like that.
Look at your sandwich. You try to add more chicken to attract your brother, but see, let me take my sandwich first.
Oh darn it, I thought it would attract him.
That's okay.
But mine still tastes good.
Grill loves the chicken more than anyone, I guess.
Our sandwiches are ready, and that's the final touches, and Mom's here to bring my brother.
Bardo, we had made a surprise for you.
I smell sandwiches.
You smell sandwiches?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
And they're both for you.
So you have chicken barbecue cheese sandwich here and chicken mayo sandwich here. Which one do you want to try first?
I think I can have the chicken mayo sandwich.
Take one bite of each and tell me which tastes good, okay?
Yeah. This is a beautiful sandwich with mayonnaise, chicken, and capsicum. You like it? Yeah, I think it has more chicken. And I love it. Here, first of all, you need to change your taste because I don't think that's going to taste good as this one. Yeah.
What's that? Try it and say me, okay? Drink water. You guys are playing some game, I guess. How's this burger?
I think it's a little spicy.
It's a little spicy? So which one do you love, burger?
I think I love the chicken mayo sandwich. Oh yeah, I would.
How about this?
It was really spicy and it was actually nice.
Okay.
And
You still love to have this?
yeah.
Okay. Agree? Kids would love it and spice lovers would love this. Try it at your home, guys.
Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Don't forget to